Access to reliable and affordable electricity is essential for socio-economic development and enhancing quality of life. However, many communities across the 10 districts of Lesotho continue to struggle with electricity access. From May to July 2024, the National University of Lesotho Department of Political and Administrative Studies Energy Democracy team, in collaboration with Strategic Institute for Research and Dialogue, conducted surveys across the country. The team visited the following communities: Mafeteng, Kolo, Hamahlalifi, Hlwahleng, and Bongala, and several other communities in different districts.
So, energy democracy, it's about citizenship. It's to say, okay, energy is not just for engineers, it's matter of debate, and everyone should be involved in the discussion.
The team conducted interviews with chiefs, councillors, individuals, and also did focus group discussions with community members to get their insights concerning the transition to renewable energy and prospects of adoption of renewable energy. Overall, the team observed that the challenging topography of Lesotho, which includes remote and mountainous areas, often makes these communities inaccessible. Additionally, the team established that the unpredictability and lack of clarity in the implementation of electricity projects hinder the prospects for improving access to electricity.
It's none of my business.
The team eventually organized a workshop whose objectives was to empower communities to demand better service delivery and accountability from key energy stakeholders, thereby enhancing energy security in the Kingdom of Lesotho. The Citizen Assembly workshop was held from Wednesday 14th to Thursday 15th August 2024 at Lancers Inn in Maseru, where communities, after being equipped with necessary skills to demand service delivery, exchanged with government authorities and energy stakeholders.
With fairness and equity, because we are all about that as where we come from. We want electricity tariff differentiation be done. People are not the same. We seem to be skewed towards urban populations, providing for them, while we pass on the cost to the rural populations. We subsidize urban populations. We are not thinking about everyone else.
We should be able to involve people based on the level of power that they have in the project and the level of interest that they have in the project. Now, so here on this side is low interest, so the interest increases. So here will be high interest, right? Here is low interest. Here you see that power increases, so here is low power and here is high power, right?
So Ministry of Energy would be our first stakeholder, and how would we connect with them? It's through letters or pizza. Sometimes they would even just come voluntarily to our villages, so this would be the good time to voice our opinions.
Financial statements there,
so motona wa that hierarchy o di bontse ka yona ntse mo manipulation bo informing ara motho mahanza o informa fela tsa go tsa participate. I think participation means you should be in the process, in the beginning, where you plan, as we implement, and as we monitor and evaluate and see the problems. The problem is, thank you very much.